Hello again. Today you will need a paper plate, washable paint and a paintbrush, scissors, glue, and tape, sunflower seeds, a jumbo craft stick, and some green paper. First of all, you're going to start by painting your paper plate yellow, letting it dry. When it's dry, you'll get some scissors and cut triangle shapes out of the edge of the paper plate and go all the way around it. When that is finished, you will take your craft glue or your Elmer's glue and glue on some sunflower seeds in the middle. You can glue as many or as little as you'd like. Next, you'll take your jumbo craft stick and paint it green. You'll also want to cut out some of green leaves from construction paper and tape them on the back of your craft stick when the paint has dried. Then you will take the stick, the craft stick, and tape it to your sunflower craft. And there you go, your beautiful sunflower paper plate craft.